This is the drive record taken at a mountain road in Japan. It's sunny and temperature is 30 degrees. The deeper I will go in forest, the cooler it will get. This road is called Doshi-Michi Road to beautiful lake. At the end of this movie, you can enjoy looking at the great landscape. I'm driving now with my friends and talking with them via car audio. One of them behind me is riding a Harley Davidson, so sometimes you can hear noisy and great sounds in this movie. Today, I attached a wind jammer to this camera. It makes sounds clear. I love this engine sound because it's MAZDA-like moderate heavy and low sound. I'm in forest and feel cool. The temperature got 5 degrees lower comparing to some minutes ago. I want to share you my feeling on such winding road. Mazda Roadster makes it possible that the driver feel comfortable on winding road by its driving position. I sit on almost center of gravity, so I feel as if the head of Roadster turns around obediently. Simultaneously, I change the shift by pulling paddle shifts, which make me possible to manage the engine rotation speed easily compared to manual transmission models. I can see the tunnel over there. It doesn't take so long time to the destination. next to the lake, though it's hidden by trees. I can't wait for the great landscape. What an incredible beautiful view! I'm impressed with it. This lake is Lake Yamanakako. If there are few clouds in the sky, we can see reflecting Mount Fuji on the lake surface. Unfortunately, I can't make sure due to this weather. Anyway, I'm satisfied with this touring and I will come here again sometime. Thank you for watching this video and please push good button and subscribe this channel. I will take some pictures and have a lunch. Bye!